Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the App Store is not downloading apps. If you're using App Store on your iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that your App Store is not downloading any kind of apps, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable strong and the strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Once you have done, just go back from here, and here you have to simply open your settings app. In settings, go to general, go to software update, and try to update your software. So after updating your software, you have to simply go back and go to iPhone storage. You just have to make sure that you have up to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage to install, download, and run any app very smoothly. So once you have done this, simply go back from here, retry to open with your app store to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press on its volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go to settings here, go to general, and here go to very first you have to go to screen time settings, and then go to content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Then go back, go to app section, look for app store, and here you just have to look for some settings. So the very first, you just have to make sure that your app downloads is set it to always allow. So if you have any option selected here, you have to select always allow, then go back. And I recommend you have to try to make a reset with all of your network settings. So go to general section here, just go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, or you can also try to reset all over your iPhone settings so it will not delete any kind of your data. It will just reset your iPhone setting. If there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in this step and you will not get the issue again. So simply select, I'm going to select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. But if your issue still persists, so there's the only way. You just have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select your Apple Support app, select your iPhone from here, then select this More option, select App Store, and here just wait for this loading and then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.